Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you what is a king mode in pure dating app. So let's get started. So here we can just go to the pure app. So you can just open it. So basically you can just open it. Will take some time. Just click on login with Google. Just select your ID. So when you will just go here, it will take some time. Just wait. So when you will just go here, you have to like when you will just buy here, like for example here play a game. When you will buy here subscription, it will make you the king ID of the app and your ID will be recommended to every person. If you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.